Hello friends, welcome to the Pariksha portal for conducting randomized MCQ exams for both academic courses and corporate recruitment. To access this portal, please visit www.bkushal.com and click on this button. In order to get examiner access to this portal, please email us your personal details. Now let me log in using my Google ID registered as an examiner on the Pariksha portal. After logging in using your examiner credentials, the first thing you will see on this portal is the details of the exams you have already created. Students will need to know this exam code and the exam date in order to appear for the exam. Please share this information with them on the day of the exam. After the exam is over, you can click this button to enable students to view their results. Students need to log in on the Pariksha portal using the same email ID they used to appear for the exam and enter the exam code and exam date to view their detailed scorecard as well as the answer key. Also, after the exam, you will see here the number of students who have appeared for the exam, and you can click this button to download the results in the form of a CSV file. Now coming to the most crucial part, how do you set up the exam and upload the questions along with the answer key? It's a very simple process. First of all, please prepare the questions using Google Slides so that each slide has only one question and the four options are marked with capital A, B, C and D. You can divide the questions into three levels, with level 1 being easy, level 2 being intermediate and level 3 being hard. But this is optional and you can also have all the questions in just level 1 or divide them into two levels as you feel suitable. But the important point is that if you divide the questions into multiple levels, then the Google Slides should first have all the level 1 questions, then all the level 2 questions and then all the level 3 questions. Once you have finalized the questions, note down the number of questions in each level and download the slides as a PDF file. Next, prepare the CSV file with the answer key as shown here. Please do this using Google Sheets since other softwares like Microsoft Excel can insert some special characters which can create trouble while processing your file. So in the Google Sheets, as you can see, create two columns, the first one for the question number and the second one for the answer key. Only one of four options written in capital letters. It is important to write the answers in capital letters, please note. Keep the name of the two columns as shown here. Once you are done, download this as a CSV file. Make sure that the number of questions in the CSV file is exactly same as that in the PDF file containing the actual questions. Cool. The main task is over and now it will take only 5 minutes to create the test. First, enter the exam date and the subject name. Then the marks for answering a question correctly and the marks for wrong answers. The marks for wrong answers can be either 0 or any negative number. Now comes the part where you have to be a little bit more careful. You need to enter the number of questions each candidate gets for each level and the number of questions in each level that are there in the PDF. So for example, in the exam, the candidate may get 3 questions from level 1, 4 questions from level 2 and 3 questions from level 3. And your PDF may have 15 questions of level 1, 12 questions of level 2 and 8 questions of level 3. So here you have to enter 3 out of 15 for level 1, 4 out of 12 for level 2 and 3 out of 8 in level 3. Note that level 2 and level 3 can have 0 questions also. But make sure that the total number of questions in level 1, level 2 and level 3 combined that you enter here should be exactly same as the number of questions present in the PDF and the CSV file. Otherwise, you will get an error and will have to re-upload the details. Now just specify the class strength, upload the PDF, upload the CSV and specify the exam duration. The candidates will be allowed to submit the answers even if they exceed this specified exam duration, but this information will be stored and made available to the examiner who can then decide later on what to do with such candidates. Now you also have the option of restricting entry only if the candidate logs in using an email ID which has the same domain as yours. If you wish to put this restriction, select yes. Otherwise, if you wish to allow any Google ID, select no. But yes, students will need a Google ID to log in. Great. Now press submit and wait for a few minutes until your PDF and CSV files get processed. Once done, you will get to see all the details once again. Please go through these details very carefully, and if you are satisfied, press confirm to create the exam. Great, now you are done. Once this process is done, you will see the exam details in the table above. Please share the exam code with the students on the day of the exam. And as mentioned above, after the exam, you will be able to download the results in a CSV file from the portal itself. And once you enable score viewing, the students will also be able to see their detailed scorecard on the portal itself by using the same exam code and the exam date information. Hope you find this useful. Please do share your feedback and do get in touch with us if you have any trouble in using this portal. All the best. Thank you.